Hi, I'm meteorologist Enrique Hernandez bringing you your forecast for the next few days. So currently right now outside in Houston, it's sunny, 54 degrees with a dew point of 34 and relative humidity at 47. And we have a bit of a west wind at 9 miles an hour that will help us kind of warm up into the day today, as most of us are already have higher temperatures than yesterday. We have 50s here in the city. Up north around Conroe, we have 53 degrees, and around Bryan College Station's in the mid 50s as well. Down near the coast, Texas City, 52 degrees, 54 out near Galveston. This coming from the Mesonet system of the National Weather Service. So, what to expect for the next few days? Well, we have more of a warming trend going on into the weekend with periods of rain starting actually Friday night, lasting into Saturday, Sunday, and possibly into the next work week. And we do have another cold front headed this way, approaching our area Sunday into Monday. So what I'm going to show you is what the jet stream currently looks like. This dip in the jet stream is what brought us all this cold air over the last few days, and also a bit of a sleet and flurries for many of us here in the Houston area. Nothing accumulated, but it was an interesting sight nonetheless. So as this pattern continues to move off towards the east coast, where they're seeing bitter cold temperatures, many areas in the Great Lakes are in the negative teens for many of them, including Chicago, Milwaukee, into Green Bay. This will continue to move off to the east, and as this jet stream continues to shift into more of a west to east pattern over our state, we'll see an influx of Pacific moisture from the Pacific Ocean coming into the state of Texas, and that's what's going to give us our increased chances of rain Friday into Saturday and Sunday. Now, I want you to take a look up here in the polar regions up towards Canada. We have the jet stream coming straight out of the poles, and that's what's provoking all this cold air outbreak over the lower 48. Now, this polar jet stream bringing cold air from Siberia and the poles will continue probably for the next few weeks, so we can expect winter to last some more time. And as I show you into Monday and Tuesday, we see the jet stream continue to dip again as our next cold front makes its way into our area. So current temperatures around most of the region are pretty warm here in the state of Texas, and we'll continue to see this warming trend into Thursday. But look up north into the Great Lakes region. We're just seeing bitter cold air for many people up in the Northeast and the Great Lakes. And this, as this cold air continues to shift, we'll see a return flow from the Gulf of winds coming out of the Gulf of Mexico that will help us warm over the next few days. This is into Saturday. We see most of the state is warming, but I want you to take a look at the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma. We see a line dividing warm and cold air up north. That will be our next cold front that will be here sometime Sunday. The GFS putting it here Sunday late morning, early afternoon. It will be one of those situations where we see our high temperature in the morning hours, and we'll see it fall into the evening hours. To Monday and Tuesday, we'll see that cold air invade all of the state, and it'll be just like this past cold front where we see temperatures probably into the 40s. With periods of rain as well. And I just want to give you a little taste. This is what the GFS model is saying that will happen in the next 10 days. I want you to keep an eye on the color coding up in the Great Lakes region. We see a bitter cold front come through our area. This could be a very cold air mass that invades the state of Texas. Of course, it is 10 days out, and the models do have trouble kind of deciphering this, so we'll keep an eye on it, see how it changes, but changes will probably be coming. So for your 7-day forecast today, 61 degrees will be our high temperature, and we'll have another cold night with 38 degrees, but not like today where we had a lot of frost on our cars and on the ground. Into Thursday, we see that warming trend continue also into Friday as I introduce a 30% chance of rain. 40% by Saturday, 50 by Sunday, as that cold front does arrive in the late morning, early afternoon hours. By Monday, a high of only 47 with a cold rain and lows getting near the freezing mark. By Tuesday, we see a little bit of a warm up with 51 degrees.